Hi everyone and welcome to the English Danny channel. I'm Teacher John and I'm here to help you become great at learning English. Today's topic is question words. And actually there are a lot of different question words in English that all mean different things. And we've already done a video about those words. So today we're really going to look at how to use them because there's really a lot of different ways to use these words to ask a question about a specific topic or event, and especially you can use them differently if you want a different kind of answer. So let's take a look at all the different question words in English, okay? Just as a quick review, and we'll very quickly talk about the meaning of some of them so you can remember what they mean. All right, so we have who, whom, whose, which, what, when, where, why, and how. So these words, they're all used in questions to show what kind of information you want, okay? What are you asking about? So, for example, if you say, who said that? You are asking for the personal subject. The answer will be a pronoun, right? Like, he said that, or she said that, or it can be a name. So in this sentence, when will it be ready? The word when shows that you're asking for a time expression, usually starting with a preposition like in or at, okay, or on. So you can answer in December or at 5 o'clock. And here, our last example is, why are you laughing? And when we use the word why, we're asking for a reason for something. So the answer usually, you will start with the word because. We use that word to give a reason. It's important to remember some of these rules about all of these different words because it can seem like there's so many, all right? But here, try to remember these rules. Who and whom are pronouns, and they act as the subject or the object in the question. When, where, why, and how all act as adverbs in the question. And what, which, and whose, they can be both pronouns or determiners. So let's look at a few examples of this. So here we have the sentence, what do you want? Okay. In this question, what is a pronoun? But then we can see in the next sentence, what kind do you want? What is now a determiner for the word kind. We can also see this again in the next sentence. Which is mine? This is a pronoun, okay? Which is being used as a pronoun. But in the next sentence, which coat is mine? Now, which is being used as a determiner for the word coat. It's also important to remember that question words usually come at the beginning of the clause. Okay? When a question word is the subject, it comes before the verb. So, the word do can't be used normally. Let's look at some examples. Who said that? Okay? Who is the subject here, so we cannot say who did say that. Okay, we can't use the word do. So we must use just the past tense form of say. Okay, but here, when who is the object, we can use the word did. Who did you invite? So it's also important to remember that English does not have one question word for every situation. Sometimes we need to use 2 or more words. Okay? For example, what time is the meeting? Okay? You can say when is the meeting, but what time also works. Okay? Here we have how many people are coming. Okay? In this example, and especially the second sentence, there's no word to ask about the number of something. So we have to use how many or how much. And then the third sentence here, we have how far is the grocery store? So you can clearly see here that sometimes we need to use more than one word. In English, there is no simple word or expression that can be used to ask for a verb. Okay? So usually we make a sentence using 2 words, what and do. So, for example, what are you doing tomorrow? Studying. What did you do yesterday? Rested. To ask for complete information about one event, you should use what happened. So, for example, what's happening at school today? All right, everyone, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, make sure that you give us a like, okay? And if you really want to see some more of our English learning YouTube videos, then please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. All right, thanks for tuning in to the English Danny channel.